Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, Save Me, we will be covering the section of vocabulary in which we will learn about word wall. So, open up page number 29 and let's get started. Let's look at a word wall. First of all, let us look at the words on this wall and then we will see what these words are about. So, repeat these words after me. The first word is sun. That's right, it is sun. The next word is bin. Repeat it with me. Bin. Tin. Save. Help. Junk. Noise. Smoke. Waste. Litter. Rubbish. Recycle. Reuse. And the last word is reduce. Very good. Now, these are the words that Ryan has learned at Kids Camp. They are all about saving the environment. We just saw a word wall. A word wall is a collection of words. It helps us remember words. Now let's do an activity. Design and display a word wall on your favorite topic.